Hey guys. Oh shit. Oh shit.
I blew his head off for you.
I even walked through that bush though. That was fucking...
Yeah, I blew his head off for you. I got your back.
Alright, now where
Chase,
are we going?
Chase is building a treehouse here, I guess.
Okay,
Yep.
got that. Went hunting. Caught me a deer.
Watch it, Chase. I just threw a grenade. Okay, you're fine. You should be fine.
I don't think grenades will hurt me.
I was like, that wasn't as many trees as I thought it was, but it was okay. It's alright. Cannibal's running. Chase, there's one right behind you.
I see him. Twice. Whoa!
I blew his face
I don't know
off.
if I chopped his head off or you blew his face off.
Yeah, no, I blew his face off. Just like I got that one.
Whoa! I'm
Oh,
down.
what the fuck? Yeah, I'm down too. Got hit.
I might be out of ammo.
Yeah, whoever's
Guys, we are no longer invincible.
I still am. I'm fucking getting all these guys. What?
Dude, you just said you had no ammo.
I reloaded. I reloaded.
Oh, you used cheat code.
I've just been blowing them in the face. The shotgun's so much fun.
What is... Are you guys shooting me or something?
No,
No.
you had another cannibal.
You're getting attacked by a buddy.
I was like, what the fuck is going on? I thought that they were all on you.
The shotgun is. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize you were still
Yeah,
down.
fuck this. I'm getting my shotgun now.